You have CD, you have, right?
Yes.
On the gate only, per main gauge, get ready. Defend, heal. Okay, yo, do. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now. No. Heal me. Okay, come back. Engage yan, pahila ko, pa-full heal ako, guys. Pa-full heal ako. Come back.
Mana.
Come back. Yo, careful on the gate. Huwag kayo sa gate. Come back. Yo, regear, come back, okay? Come back. Spread. May sira na yung gate. Ready per main gauge, Yo, Def Tanks, get ready to stop. Def Tanks. Spread. Oh, do. Wait lang, nakatingin yung tank nila. 10%. Def Tanks, get ready to stop, Yo, get ready to counter engage, Wait. Get ready to counter engage, Def Tanks, get ready to stop. Icicle, okay? Spread kayo. Ready your potions also. Nagre-ready sila magbigla ang engage. Kahit yung perma ko sa loob, Yo, defenses, everyone walk in. Northeast deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything now. No. Kill this. Okay, come back. Reset your cooldowns, Yo, they're gonna break the gate na. Kailangan natin magka-CD, Ready defenses, Spread. Come southwest, come inside. Come inside first, okay? Okay, come back outside. Hold. We hold here. Spread kayo. Yo, I'm gonna mark the caller. Iwasan nyo, Unless may cleric call kayo, pwede nyong pasukin yan.
I'm gonna fake Mogi, Wait lang.
Yeah. Go fake. Oh, do. Wait lang. Yo, ready defenses. Caller looking, Yo, get ready, Hold lang. Wait lang. Defend now, northeast, Walk in. Yo, heal up. Northeast. On the gate only. 5, on the gate only. 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate only. Kill this guys. Okay, come back southwest. Kite back. Yo, kite back inside. Okay? Yo, regear fast, Yo, wag kayong magpa-engage sa Medyo halata naman engage sila, Wag lang kayo magpa-engage. Come south. Daddy B, sabay ka sa engage ko.
Sige.
Yo, over the wall tayo, Orat. Hold lang. Careful, Pwede sila mag-engage over the wall pa rin, Hold lang. Careful. 63%. Yo, careful. Defenses. Yo, careful, guys. Come on. You're all within the range of the fucking... I'm gonna fake only, Daddy B, Yo, step up, guys. Step up. I'm gonna fake only. Okay. Oh, do. Yo, on the gate. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back south, okay? Yo, may CD yan, 16%, come southwest. 16%, come southwest. Yo, hold, north side, walk up, step up. North side, per main gauge, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, per main gauge short side. More damage, kulang. Oh my god, di nyo na-delete. Come back. Come back southwest, okay? Reset cooldown.
Mana.
Yo, careful, they have engage, May hodge rin sila, careful. Nakamark yung hodge, careful. Yo, regear fast. Yo, over the wall lang tayo, Get ready, over the wall lang, North, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall lang. Okay, come back. Ready defenses, looking yung tank, come back southwest. Reset your CD. Careful, guys, careful.
Mana.
We can kite around the castle, hindi tayo magsa-stay dito. Listen, pag nag-walk-in sila, we kite west side, West side gate. Or kite sa north side, actually. Kasi hindi pa nila nasisira yung gate. I'm waiting for my regears, okay? May isa pang blob na pumasok na malaki. Yo, come north. Walk up, north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north now. Perma faster, okay? Come back.
JJ.
Sige, may GG boots naman yung mga DPS ko. Hindi dapat kayo na-GG basta-basta.
Ang early ko naman. Sorry, Doy.
Reset. Sino yung blob na yan? Sila rin yan?
Wait,
Parang hindi sila natatakot.
Cash order.
Yata, 7 day lang sir,
Okay, come north.
Lumalabas sila, Mugi, lumalabas.
Pa-catch kung kaya. Yo, careful. Looking, Perma engage on the gate. Perma engage on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. 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 On the gate.
J na J.
Come back fast. Come back fast. Ka-counter engage yan. Come back fast. Come back south. Come back south. Come back south.
Ito, naglalago.
Yo, come back. I-engage yan. Come back. Ready defenses. Come back.
Mana.
They're looking ah.
Yeah, I see.
Ano ko na GGE? Hindi ko alam.
I see.
Southwest nagbo-book yung isang blob ah.
Yeah, it's okay. Spread. Nasaan na yung other blob?
Lagyan basic yung ano, yung...
Yeah, careful, Hodge, ah. Yo, shallow, ah. Kita niyo yung mark ko. Wait lang.
Hindi ko kita.
Step up. I'm gonna fake, Daddy B. I'm gonna fake, Come back. Ready defenses, Yo, hold. Shallow, Get ready, Northeast, Northeast, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, shallow. Okay, come back. You're ready, full defend on me. Ready, pop your pots. Defenses. Good demons. Yo, reset your cooldowns, Reset your cooldowns. Saan yung isang blob?
Nasa southwest.
Okay, yo, come southwest. May cooldown kayo?
Nasa high yung ano
Come
isang...
May cooldown kayo? Southwest. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Okay, come back. Good kill, Ready, defenses. Full defend. Yo, defenses,
Magpapasan silang
man.
wait.
Come southeast. Defenses, man. Alam naman natin ka-counter engage yun. Come southeast. Come east. Reset your cooldown here. Come east. Alam natin ka-counter engage yun. Come east, okay? Hold kayo dito. Hold lang. Wait lang kayo. Antay tayo ng regears. Sa east side kayo banda. Dito banda. Yo, come on. We know that they're gonna counter engage. You should be ready for it, man. Just hold.
Guys,
Yo, come on. Wait lang. Hold lang.
Nag-engage yung
Nag-wing
magla.
side.
Yeah, I saw. I'm waiting for the gears.
anong kailangan nyo?
Going east side yung ano Mugi ah. Tawagin mo.
Ilang percent to?
999.
Okay. Hold lang. Come east. May engage tayo sa likod. Come east. Come southeast. Come outside muna. Rigger guys.
Anong kailangan mo?
DPS pa.
DPS
Hindi, actually,
pa?
def tanks. Supports.
Ano?
Supports.
Kahit alin man doon?
Supports. Wait lang. Antay ko muna riggers ko. Yo, expect a counter engage. If enemy hasn't engaged yet, expect a counter engage always. Alam nyo naman yan. Ever since, alam nyo naman yan. Dema, offensive fallen ka. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun kakalalim. At na-engage ka ng ganun. Hold lang. Uy, may isa pang blob. Come southwest. Yo, one def tank pa scout nga. Same thing sa def tanks ko. Alam nyo nang mabilis sila mag-engage. Parang tulog-tulog kayo.
Nothing Boulevard tong kakapasok lang.
Sige.
May LC ka na ba? Kailangan mo pa LC?
Meron na.
Anong support kailangan mo?
Rootbound, Locus. Dismount me.
Sige, locus na lang. Locus.
Yo, destroy this kid.
Shit, wala pala akong ano.
Pwede pa pumasok.
Sa atin pa pala yung castle. Come back. East side, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Ay, tangina mo, urat. Come back west side.
Maliran tamaan ko. Sorry.
Come back. Nakatingin yung collar ng Defense on front. CD, cool down.
Ready?
Yo, look at east side again. East side on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on the gate. More damage. May namatay isa. Okay, come back. Tangi, na-down lang yata. Ay, hindi, namatay pala. Nice.
Na-DJ kami lagi.
Yo, pahil Rosie si Ray. Ano si Rosie? Na-DC si Rosie. Rosie dito. West side. Rosie, west side. Hindi east side, Rosie. Wait lang. Come southwest. Kahit. Paano pa-cult out muna. Yeah, boots first. Boots out southwest. Come. I'm gonna wait for my healers muna. Mount up, mount up, mount up.
Ayun yung kanina, tabing
Hindi kami
iba.
makaman.
Ang sarap ng clump.
Lagi may natitirang isang HP sa kalaban, no?
Kaya nga,
GGA kami.
tapos lagi.
Hindi, pero naka-GG boots naman majority sa inyo.
Gawa ata nung heavy mace eh. May heavy mace lagi sa harap.
Hindi, offensive locus mo na lang Ali, yung DPS mismo. Huwag sa clump mismo. Sa ano mismo, sa mga ano,
Ito
sa
na,
mga
second
DPS.
locus. Sige na, invite at zone check.
Party 2 ba?
Sa first.
Saan yung mga regears ko? Wait lang. Antayin muna natin.
Hindi, saan muna kayo? Natabunan yung comms eh.
Actually, palitan mo, mag-1 arcane ka na lang.
Ako?
Sa Drownfield course.
Downfield course. Mag-1 arcane ka na lang. Mas okay pa.
Okay.
Uy, wait lang, naglalaban sila sa lobby.
Laban sila.
Napigil yun, no?
Bolivar yung may hawak sa loob.
Dismount on me. Yo, careful over the wall. Come north. Northeast, look at northeast, okay? Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now. No. Hit it. Uy, nasira yung clump. Come south. Kite back. Ba't nasira yung clump? Ano na sumira?
May tinulak tayo, ano? May nag-bedrock sa atin. May nag-bedrock.
Reset your cooldowns here.
Nag-bedrock yung freaky fools. Para push out tayo.
Come south.
You're still fighting.
Yeah. Come north. Wait lang. Don't mount up. Come north. Yo, Daddy B. Hindi abot.
Hindi abot.
Oo, hindi abot. Again. North side, ah. East side, by the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side by the stairs. By the stairs lang. Oh, come back na. Kite back. Full kite south. Click gate. Hindi na sa atin yung castle. Yeah. Come south, kite back. Pa-occult out if pwede. Come south pa.
May isa, ito,
Come
Carving.
south. Boots out. Huwag kayo magstay inside muna. Mount up muna. Get out castle muna.
May parods ba yan? Wala.
Get out castle. Dude, lakarin mo na lang. Lapit galing
Hindi,
Tetford.
nagtatanong na.
Naiwalay
Baka meron.
na tanga. Wala sa Discord.
Yo, kill this guy.
Wala sa Discord.
Kill this guy. Okay. Sige, kailangan pa natin refine. Gemma, saan ka na Gemma? Dapat yun na ba? Yo, mount up. How many party 3? Nandito na ba? Yo, again, expect for a counter engage, ha. Yo, give me space, def tanks. Pa nag-engage ako, give me space. Tapos balik agad kayo, huwag kayo mag-hover around. As long as makita nyo na medyo nakapag-split na yung Zerg natin sa kanila, hindi nyo na kailangan i-ano masyado. One scout nga, isang chrono pa check ako yung ginagawa nila. Bobong ko muna siguro yung side na to. Yo, bonk this gate. Are they fighting inside?
Nasa loob na sila Mugi. Checking ako.
Pero naglalaban?
Wala akong nakikitang engage. May mga depth tank sa likod. Hindi ako makapasok.
Wait lang. Mount up first. Huwag mo
Dito pa rin
nakapasok.
sila.
Are they
Wala pa
fighting?
akong nakikitang engage. No.
Nasa isang blob.
Wala. Nagkiklear lang to eh. Ng ano.
Sa needles na lang yung nasa loob.
I think nandito.
Hindi. Sinira nila isang gate pala eh. Yo, come kill this guards. Sinira nila isang gate.
Oh, dalawang blob yun. Level 5 tong isa eh.
Yo, masakit yung engage natin ha, pero hindi lang fully nadadamage talaga eh. I-peel off nga natin yung mga tanks muna. Mamarkan ko ng mga skull yung mga engage natin ha, para lang, talagang clear natin sila. Pa-clear ng guards dito, come northwest.
Ibang panaling west, sige, dito sa loob.
Di ko kita
Yo,
yung
looking north ha, Def Tanks get ready to stop ha. Yo, get ready, yo. Earthrune, over the gate north side ha, wait lang. Over the gate north side, Earthrune, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate, ang laki. Ay, kite back, full kite. Yo, full kite. Yo, help the people behind. Healers, wag nyo kalimutan yung mga tao behind ha. Reset cooldown, okay, reset cooldown. Oh, come southeast pa. Sige pa. Yo, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Okay, come south. Kite south. Outside. Pa-purity robes yung mga tao sa Kite out pa, kite pa. Looking yung caller. Key kami southwest ha. Key kami southwest. Okay. Yo, reset cooldown. Help my people. Okay, hold. Hold, walk northeast now. Walk northeast now. East side. Get ready. East side on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on the gate. Okay, come back. Sige. Nagmintis tayo. Come back. Good cat. Reset. Full reset tayo. Okay. Come north. Mount up.
Daiketsu, i-early mo medyo yung beam.
Come northwest. Cash order. Sino nasa loob?
Nandiyan si Hazard sa loob.
Kapiti,
Good
mga-
engages. This one me.
Hindi, okay na.
Yo, bonk this gate here. Destroy this gate. Yo, ready defenses ha. Def tank northeast ha. Pa-def tank ako northeast. Nandito ka na upwards.
Zone 2 wetland.
Sige, kailangan ko yung 100 kin mo para sa defensive. Nakalimutan ko pero na DPS yan for def tank for castle yun.
Nasa north ata sila.
Careful. Alam ko nasa north sila. Nagpa-northeast nga sila actually. Defend! Heal up. Okay.
Walking out northeast ha.
Come southwest. Icicle.
Mag-engage na.
Nice.
Shallow northeast. You see this? Shallow northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast. Okay, come back. Kite back na. Pawatch ng southwest ko, yung gate ha. Ingat ha. Pawatch. Come southwest. Kite back. Reset cooldown.
Mana.
Pasira ng gate na to para may space tayo. Ay, hindi. Nililikuran ba nila?
Oo. Nilikuran
Come southeast.
Sila fighting sila dito.
East side on the gate. Firm engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Firm engage. On me. Kite back agad. Kite back. West. West, wait lang. Good engage. May full defensive lang talaga sila. Reset your cooldowns. How many seconds engage?
Cool down. On. Up.
Backline no?
Okay. Sige. Listen to me. Wait lang, just hold there. Careful sa northeast side ko, pa-watch.
Southwest na ingat mo.
Southwest looking yung southwest
Nagkabati ako sa north mo, Mugia.
Yeah. Nandito na yung 100 kin.
Oo, nandito na sa
Yes.
Yo, ready. Come west.
Nasa map ko pero wala pa ako dyan.
Oh, do. Yo, you see me shallow? Wait you see the skull? Shallow, perma engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Okay, come back. We miss. Come back.
Kaya lang, pa-pull up OC.
Anong gamit mo, Zeketsu, na Q? Ako nga i-Q1 mo. Ay, ako pala i-Q2 mo, Zeketsu.
YouTube?
Wow, mount up.
Ang beam mata si
Naglaki
Seketsu
niyan
na
na.
Wow, mount up, come southwest.
Kakatingin ko lang
Ayan ang big boss.
Nakabi mo.
Yan na si Daddy, wait lang. Wait lang, hindi si Daddy. Ang laki
Hindi
niyan.
yung kakadating ko pa lang.
Raid boss.
Wait lang,
raid
laki
boss.
niyan eh. Raid boss eh. Come southwest.
Ay, dumadaan lang.
Ano dumadaan? Hindi dadaan
Nakahabol yan.
Nakahabol yan.
Aray ko. Run, ka run!
Pero walang mahabol sa atin.
Ito mo.
Nandun yata sila sa castle, nanghahabol ngayon. Ayun no, laki yung
Castle.
block.
Please fight natin ito, Mugi, oh.
Pero tayo
Laban natin ito sa isa kabilang zone. Sa next one, laban natin.
catch natin yung tumatawag.
Pinagkakaya ng Green Castle.
Dismount.
May buli.
Inside. 3, 2, 1, inside.
Pero sa akin.
Uy, pinindot lahat.
Purity nyo.
Ako mount lang doon, no?
Zone
Mounted yun sa kabila.
in southwest. Zone in. Okay dito.
Gago, ito. Ay, meron ba?
Mount up muna tayo. Try natin labanan dito kung papayag sila.
Itong carving nila, Mugi. Cooldown pa yung ano nito. Mount nito.
Wag mo na hulihin para lumaban.
Mount up muna. Come south. Habulin natin to kalaban.
Gago tumatakbo siya.
Lumilipat yata ng castle yan eh.
Maha-dogs daw. May nag-anong mugi. May tawag ito, local chat. Maha-dogs.
Yung DPS natin okay naman. Honestly, masakit naman pero parang may kulang eh. Hindi na-finish talaga. Nakakapag-engage pa lahat ng DPS ko.
Hindi daw, may nag-GG.
Come Northeast.
Minsan na-GG yung ano.
Dismount. Patayin niyo yung ano, naka-dismount sa taas natin.
One shot
Catching sila, catching sila.
Come north. Yo, north. Everything on this cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage. Ay, reset cooldown. Come north. Kite. Defend shallow. Kite. Okay, come southeast. Heal ratios, Come southeast. Come south. Shallow, Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Okay, come back north. West side tayo mag-kite. West side, dito. Uphill tayo mag-kite. Ang pangit na angle eh. Uphill mag-kite, southwest. Yeah, I see it. Nagmintis sila ng marami. What the fuck? Yo, kite lang. Defenses, full defense. Okay, keep kiting. We're good. We're healthy. Come southwest lang. We're healthy, okay? Yo, perma-engage shallow. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma-engage shallow. Okay, come back. Keep kiting southwest now. Keep kiting. Give me space, Def Tanks. Keep kiting. Give me space. Yo, ready defenses on that GA. Keep coming west. Keep coming west lang. West, boys. West. Yo, come north. Ah, hindi. Keep coming west pala. May isang blob kanina sa likod eh. Defense shallow. Heal up. East side. Step up. Heal up. Come west. There, kite muna. Give me space muna. Wait lang. Keep coming west.
Kaka-engage lang yan,
Yeah, alam ko. Yo, look at me. Look at the skull. Perma-engage on the skull. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the skull. Tangin na, perma-engage on the skull eh. Come back. Na-stop tuloy yung Zerg.
Hindi ko makita yung
Dropping mana.
Yo, Def Tanks, you're too clumped up there, Help me, Def Tanks.
Dokin
Come
na
west.
sila sa depth tank, Dokin na depth tank.
Yo, east side shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow on the choke. Nice. Come back. Sige, kite back west.
Luki nga, ito na, maunan may sigit man nyo.
Yeah. Ready defenses. So 108 maze inside, Yo, pop your potions. Defensives. Okay, come west.
Wait lang, Mugya, tabingin cooldown ko.
Yeah. Reset muna. Full reset muna tayo. Come west pa. Yo, shallow inside, Wait. Shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Come back. Sige, come back. Ba't ang tigas nun? Come back southwest.
Dropping mana.
Eto, kailangan natin patayin tong bedrock. Come south. Reset kayo ng cooldown kapag meron. Looking, North, ready. Oh, dude. Walk up, north. Downhill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downhill.
Peter, patay tayo.
Sablay ng perma ko,
Tumabingi.
Come south. Ano? Pwede, puta na. Engage mo. Come south.
Ako, tumutok dun.
Bilog na, tumatabingi pa.
Ata sila,
Pointing click na lang. Nagmimintis ka ba? Ano ba yan? Come northeast. Wait, come back. Wait, hold.
Holding lang sila, holding up.
Yeah, come southwest. Yo, over the wall tayo, engage, Look at me. Sa southeast kayo, Sa southeast kayo pumuesto. Over the wall engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Good. Come back south. Yo, ready defenses. Full defend up front. Nice guard rune there. Yo, full heal my north side. Full heal my Def Tanks north side. Okay, come south. Kite back. Reset your cooldowns, okay?
Press muna kayo.
How many seconds?
Na yung perma.
How many seconds? West side, Look at the crown. West side on me. Def Tanks. Catch, Def Tanks. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Tayo ng bedrock.
Nagbedarak yung mga ano mo.
Okay, sige. Come back. Kite back southwest. Southwest kayo mag-kite back. Heal, yo, defenses. Kite back southwest.
Fake lang yun,
Pa-help ng front ko muna.
May engage pa.
Yeah, pa-help ng front ko. Pa-CD. Pull down.
Up na.
Yo, come southwest pa, come southwest downhill. Def tank, pa-hold sila. Downhill. Sige lang, keep coming, okay? Keep coming. Yo, up the stairs lang get ready up the stairs lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up the stairs, engage lang. Full defend on me, full heal on me. Good. Kite back west side now. Kite back west side. Okay, kite back west side. Def tank, huwag kayo masyado malayo Keep coming west.
Keep healing, please.
Heal? Heal on me. Pa-full heal. Come west pa. Come southwest pa. Kite lang.
Pile naman yung nasa likod.
Sa bridge tayo southwest You look at this earth rune inside Wait lang. Perma-engage on the earth rune. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma-engage.
Bedrock.
Come southwest.
Kada nyo? Hindi.
Cleric na.
Come southwest. Sa bridge. Pass the bridge. Good J. Yo, Def Tanks medyo malayo na kayo. Yo, help my front. Guard on the front. Help my front. Yo, come southwest. Don't stay in the front of the choke. Yo, in front of the choke Guard dun sa 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In front of the choke only.
Ay, putang ina.
Sige, come back. It's okay. Come back. It's okay. Def Tanks, come back.
Huwag i-OC nyo.
Mana.
Yo, double OC. Reset your cooldowns. Hold lang. Come, hold past the bridge. Huwag kayo sa loob ng bridge. Mag-hold. Yo, I'm gonna fake engage I'm gonna fake engage.
Bedrock na.
Hold. Yo, ready. Yo, hold them. Poppy pots. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, full counter.
Good!
Nice one. Yo, reset your cooldown Def Tanks hold them. Don't let them kite back. Reset your cooldowns fast. Reset your cooldowns fast, okay? Yo, sabihin sa akin pag may cooldown na kayo. Walk northeast
Meron.
Northeast, pass the choke. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass the choke. Nice one. Full defend up front. Full defend. Yo, heal up on everyone. Okay? Reset. Okay, come back. Wait.
Wala mang nice skill.
Wait. Yeah. Yo, heal front. Okay, step up northeast now. Pass the choke. 5. Wait. Say, keep coming. Just walk lang. Inside. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, then spread. Full defend. Defenses. Nice one. Then kite back sa choke. Sige, kite back tayo sa choke. Masyado tayo na above-roll.
May rigger na sila.
Sige, tulong kayo yung iba. Muna.
Kite back tayo. Sige, kite back. Sige lang, goods pa tayo. We are healthy as fuck. Isa pa lang namamatay sa atin.
Dropping man.
Reset muna. Full reset muna.
Salamat sa nagmamana.
Yo, step up.
New blood.
Mount up. Naloot niya yung mga katawan.
Hindi.
Ay, come sa
Hindi po, ate.
Walang ganun dito eh.
Harley ka? Wow.
Hindi naloot niya.
Baka
Ano yung blob na yan?
Kayo.
Check ka ng isang blob. Kasing size lang natin
Okay, nawala na kayo. Nagbago na kayo
Basta may e-shaper na ako.
Yo, come southwest. Dismount. Yo, food up pag may extra food kayo. Yo, come west. Hindi, come south pala. Come south. South angle tayo. Yo, shallow engage perma shallow on the bedrock 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the bedrock. Come back. Masyado mabagal, come back. Yo, reset your cooldown. Def tank masyado kayo malalim.
Keep up.
Walang cleric tsaka pass yung bedrock How many seconds cooldown?
Dadoy.
Okay pa.
On the bedrock, west side, on the bedrock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the bedrock. Okay. Nice. Comes out. It's okay. Sige. Good. Reset your cooldowns. Yeah, I see. Reset your cooldowns.
Pa-full HP ako rin here.
Dropping mana.
Sa south side pa kayo. Magpa-south pa kayo. Huwag kayo sa northwest side. Sa south side kayo. South angle kunin natin. Keep walking. Just walk. Yo, wait. Walk up. Step up now. Daddy B, give me a fake. Oh, wait. On the Def Tanks inside wait lang. Look at this skull. West side, northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay, nag-pods. Comes out. Get back. Nag-pods. Okay na yan. Walang pods yan next.
Nice hold.
Hold on. Reset pa.
Dropping mana.
Kami south pa. Yeah, itong 100 kin. Pwede ba patay natin mabilis? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on him. Ah! Hindi ko
Hindi, matatarsh niyan.
Yo, patay nyo. Na-down. Okay, nice. Okay, sige. Good. Medyo mabagal ah. Wala nyo
1 sa
mabilisan.
gitna.
Reset, comes out. Defend front. Help my tanks.
Yeah, healthy pa.
Ayos, Gemma.
Okay. You have cooldown, come northwest.
May hatak
Yo,
ako Mugi ah.
Baka pa itong west side ah.
Come northwest. West side. Sa may bato. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa may bato. Okay, come back. Nag-GA kayo. Sige, come back south. Kite back muna. Peel. Death tanks too deep. Come back.
Dropping mana.
Come back north. Nag-engage sila shallow. Patulong ng mga... Tulungan ng
Nag-iwala yung ano nila.
Nakita ko. Come south muna. Kailangan natin sila mag-clump up. Pa-south muna. Come south.
Ay, isang
Counted na natin Boulevard sa
Nakita ko si Boulevard. Laughing Boulevard.
Guys, yung cooler niyo, malayo na.
Come south.
Counted na rin tayo ng Hangman.
Okay, kasi come north. Magsiswitch side tayo ah. You ready ah? Pa nag-engage sila,
Dito
lahat boots north side ah. Pa nag-engage sila boots north side ah. Walk north.
Andito na yung ano, yung mga...
Walk north lang. Potions lang pa nag-engage sila inside, okay? Just walk north. Switch side tayo. Just walk north. Just walk north, okay? Yo, look at south, okay? Look at south. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south on me.
Mag-full north.
Come back.
May ikot yung kalaban. Full north.
Yeah.
North.
Come west. Nagpapa-west sila. Eto, patayin nyo yung perma sa northeast. Patayin nyo itong perma northeast. Northeast, guys. North side. Low. North side. Patayin nyo itong perma. Ay, medyo ano yun yung perma eh.
Nagpa-fight ata sila.
Okay, come southwest.
Iba yung...
Yo, reset cooldown fast. Come south.
CD.
Fighting
Come
sila dito,
southeast.
Mugi.
Sige, come southeast.
Small
Sa
block
bridge.
northeast ah.
Come southeast. Yo, get ready occult ah. Yo, come, get ready. Marley ka, get ready.
Ready.
Ako ah.
Marley ka south, okay? Wait. Marley ka south. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side on me. Okay, come back northwest. Reset kayo northwest lang. Shallow reset lang. Huwag masyadong malayo.
Dropping mana.
Come northwest. Umiikot sila eh. Alam ko saan sila umiikot. Come back. Come to me, follow me. Alam ko saan sila umiikot. Follow lang. Sa southwest side tayo ngayon ah. Look at southwest ah. Nasa southwest yung kalaban natin ah. Come southwest. Nandito yan sa
Ito
side
yung earn
na
money oh. Nakamove.
Nasa south side ah. Ingat ah. Yo, get ready ah. Southeast ah.
May makapal.
Maganda angle natin ah. Maganda angle natin sa east side ah. Nakatingin yung def tank natin ah. Pa-GA ng def tank. East side 5. Southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast.
Naka-armor.
Ay, come back.
May nag-wrap up.
It's okay. Kiting.
Ay, mga ano ah, madaming...
It's okay. It's okay. We're really fucking good. Defense is down. Full defend now. Heal up. Nice one. Okay, good demon. Reset your cooldowns now. Reset your cooldowns here. Keep coming west. Keep coming west.
Sa pinaka-north
Nasaan yung isang kalaban? Yo,
Sa likod lang nila. Sa likod
sige. Keep coming. Shallow northeast, look at me. On top of me lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me lang.
Naping Boulevard pala
Come south. South kayo. Come south.
Nasa likod lang nila.
Come south. Def tank. All my def tank northeast side. Come south. Keep coming south. Come south. On me. Def tanks, ang layo nyo sa akin ah. Come south lang. Come south. Pass the choke, okay? Pass the choke pa. Sige. Come east side pa. Nasa north side natin Laughing Boulevard ah. Sa northeast natin. Sige kami east side. Sige, just walk. Okay, walk north now. Walk north. Perma, get ready. Perma engage ah. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage northwest. Ay, come back. Sige, come back. Nice one. Sige, come back. Reset your cooldowns here. Reset your cooldowns on me.
Payatay na pair.
Walk back. Sige lang. Walk now. Walk west.
Hindi, akala ko din
Nasa,
mamagay.
just walk west, just walk west. Yo, DPS get ready ah.
Layo. One
Sige lang. Daddy B, pahatak na. Daddy B, pahatak na. Hatakin mo na.
DC ata isang depth tank mo.
Yo, shallow, west side, deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me.
Enjoy kami ah.
It's
Ready
okay, kama, kite back, full kite east side. East side yung kite back
Engage
natin.
sila
East side.
sa west side ah.
Yeah, reset here.
Mana.
Side by side lang sila.
Daddy B, hatak ka ng mas malaki.
Nagrap ata yung Sunny Dolls.
Come southwest,
Kaya nga,
nakikita ko.
Nangas ng batuta mo, idol ah. Yan pala dala mo.
Ito na lang, kesa sa VMS. Parang ang boring nun eh.
Northwest, shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me. Come back south. Mas mabilis ha, Ganong engage lang tayo. Mas mabilis, okay?
Naglulok yung Lapping Boulevard sa kanila.
Come south. Reset your cooldowns lang.
Nag-shallow.
5.
Yeah, boy ako.
Wala akong cleric ah.
Mag-rap west side, Marlica, rap west side. Shallow on me again get ready, wait lang. North shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north shallow on me.
Jade.
Dude, meron kayong GG boots, bakit nila GGA?
Silence,
GG
send
ka
yung hood.
Saka
Mag-GG boots muna kayo bago kahit anong gamitin na parang hindi kayo na GGA. Clear the mobs. Yo, reset.
Gemalin man.
Nasa loob sila ng camp.
Come north. Mas okay sa atin yan. Come north. Nasaan sila?
Exit na siguro.
Ito lang.
North
Nasa
side, okay. Marlica, walk with me. Just walk. Sige lang, walk lang. Wait lang, naiwan ako. Hindi ako nasama sa cleanse na yun. Wala.
Ano gusto
Come
mo?
west, come rap west, rap southwest.
Pakinggan
Shallow, after the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me. They come southwest.
Sandid nila, east side yung ano.
Ikot southwest, sige lang. Reset your cooldown here, behind the tree. Wait lang, huwag kayo mag-east side. Defenses.
No.
Heal up, Abby. Okay?
Rapping east sila.
Sige lang. Wait lang, hold lang.
Pahil nga.
Hold lang. Come west.
Wag ko mali pala ako.
Yo, huwag kayo sumusunod sa kabilang zerg. Come west. Yo, may hold siya. Yo, look at northeast ha. Perma engage northeast. Okay, wait lang. Keep coming.
May paliw dito.
Yo, shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Pahil nga
shallow.
ako sa likod.
Okay, come back.
Healer dito.
Puro merch.
Pahil ako, please.
Come west side. Yo, heal si Alex. Come west side.
Papatay
Papatay na mobs. Pakita ano. Bakit? Ang dami naman nila. Nakakatawa sila sa boots nila. May kulang ba sa build ko? Soul side? Come northeast.
Layo nito.
Ay, baliw yan. Wag. Nakamay.
Listen. Come east. Parang kulang ba tayo na knock up?
Kulang
Isa
bilang
na
nakap.
Soul side
Hindi,
siguro.
maganda defensive na ng movie.
Kasi hindi nakaka-blink out kasi sila eh. Either mabagal yata DPS nyo or whatever. Yo, come south kayo. South pa. Sige lang, by the wall lang. Def tank east side watch Ready kayo counter engage
Meron din sa north side.
Perma engage east side look at me. You already defenses We're gonna full counter Full counter. Wait. Come on, walk. Walk in them east side. Ready full defenses
Nasa
east
north
side
side mo, Boulevard
Just walk. Nasa southeast na ako.
Ito, nasa
Ready
north
defenses.
mo na.
West side by the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by the wall. Okay, keep coming. Okay, come back. Sige lang. Come southeast. Reset side.
Nag-engage siya.
Yo, kami side dito.
Wala.
Cleanse. Kami southeast. How many seconds CD? Come southeast. How many seconds?
South mo, Mogi.
West side southwest 5, southwest 4, 3, 2, 1 southwest. Ay, no.
Makapal dito lang sa northwest mo.
Come southeast.
Engage yan.
Wait, kaka-engage ko lang. Yo, pa-full heal. Keep kami southeast. Pa-full heal ng mga tao dito sa akin, sa task ko. Sa southeast side. Nasa southeast side, pa-full heal. Keep kiting lang. Kite lang, full kite tayo. Ready cleanse dito sa choke na to
Tapos, no!
Wait, hold. West side shallow come walk. Nice,
Oh,
fake.
shit. Naipit kami.
Wait,
Malapit
west
na
side
tayo,
shallow.
Ford.
Wait, hold lang. West side shallow, on me only, on me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me only. Okay, come back.
Grabe si Jimalin na healer.
Grabe.
Defenses up front.
Good bound.
Nakakapag-dash out sila. Hold lang.
Engaging ulit.
Ko. Patay si Gemalino.
Teka, attack ko na.
Yung may healers pa ba ako sa party 2?
Isa.
Sino?
Isa na lang healer natin.
Healthy kami. Mugi.
Dalawa healer.
Ko, punish na to.
Naiwan yan.
Come Nortus, gago may isa pa pala engage yun. Hindi ko nakita may isa pang engage.
Ibang guild.
Bigla ako eh. North side, look at north side. Perma engage north side. Okay?
Hold on,
North side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bakit wala ka? Ba't yung ka-engage?
Down.
Naka-ano sila? Royal shoot. Naka-royal shoot sila po eh.
Oo nga, kailangan ko ng offensive na heal yun.
Kaso, may naka-heal ba tayo? Ito si Touch Me. Pwede ka mag-offensive, Touch Me.
Sige.
I think okay na rin naman tayo eh. May 14 UTC pa naman tayo eh.
Oo, na tayo. Wala na rin
Ah, tayo.
Wala rin pot.
Matap, okay na yan.
Oh, ang alam ko, castle eh, kaya ganito yung dala ko eh.
Tama lang naman kasi kahit comp naman tayo eh.
Pangit, may ibang nasa lo.
Pero kasi parang
Sobrang
may
daming
lacking-
bedrock at twin duel.
may lacking tayo eh. Masakit yung